Hey guys, hope you are all doing good. So today we are going to paint a sunset on a rainy day. So let's get started. Today I am going to use Himi gouache set of 112. So the colors which I have chosen is yellow, coral, pink and purple. The paper which I have used here is Himi watercolor paper which has 300 GSM, and not to forget to tape down the paper on all four sides. Starting with yellow color and slowly moving to coral, pink and purple. Make sure to blend the colors very well, and also while blending make sure the background is still wet, only then you will get seamless blending. And also about the consistency of gouache, make sure it is not too watery nor not too thick. Also, if you make any mistake while blending or adding colors, you can always recorrect it. Gouache can be easily reactivated with water, so you don't have to worry about the mistakes. You can always correct it by adding another layer or reactivating the gouache and correcting the mistake. Take your own time for blending the background, only then we will be getting the aesthetic sunset effect in the background. So don't hurry up, just take it very slow. So the background is almost done. So let's wait for it to dry completely before applying another layer to it. So the background is completely dry now. Let's add some bushes on the sides of the painting. So I'm using black and little bit of purple for the bushes. I'm also adding some buildings to the painting to make it look more realistic. I have used cadmium orange color to make the bushes glow around the sun. I am using the brush filled with water and smudging the corners of the bushes to get that smudged rainy effect. Here I am using white mixed with lot of water and carefully applying with the large flat brush. Now let's move to the water droplet part. So for that I have used ivory black mixed with little bit of purple and slowly adding the droplet shape randomly here and there. Make sure you use the smaller size brushes. Take your time and take the process very slow. I'm using little bit of purple to the droplet so that the water droplets will reflect the sunset color to it. Now I'm taking titanium white and adding it to the droplet very randomly here and there to make it look more realistic. Adding white to each and every droplet to make it more realistic. So we are almost done. Let me know if you have any doubts regarding products or process. Let me know them in the comments. Once the paper is completely dry, now you can slowly peel the tape away from the paper. Let's sprinkle some water on the table and clean them. So, ta-da! We are done with our painting. Hope you guys liked the video. So this is my first ever voiceover. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.